Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is part 2 of our hike through Gatineau Park.
That's right, when we left off at the end of the last video, we had just completed our first trail of the day and we were heading to look for lunch. Alright, so we're at our second part of the park. We followed the map to where it said there'd be a restaurant, so we parked in the parking lot, but apparently we gotta walk from here. We gotta take a trail which takes us all the way to the coffee shop somewhere in this forest. So I guess we're hitting another trail.
At least this trail so far is not starting off with a giant incline, eh?
That's true.
Trying to find the positives here in this situation. That wasn't as bad as you thought.
That was a super short trail. Probably like 3 minutes.
Like, I feel like we could cover this whole trail in probably half the amount of time it took us on the first one.
And apparently there is a really nice waterfall at the end of this trail.
Yeah.
So we'll see how motivated we feel after lunch.
We'll see. Mackenzie King, his summer home is actually right behind us. Clearly he liked to be a bit secluded. Liked his privacy. I don't blame him, it's beautiful.
So in behind Mackenzie's summer home here, they've actually built a little cafe. So that's the restaurant that we're about to have lunch at.
Stone. Thank you. Iced coffee, delicious.
Yeah. So I ordered a scone with jam just because it seemed like the specialty there. And the ladies in front of us got scones and they looked really good. So we got one to split after our sandwiches. That jam is really good. Really good scone too.
These aren't messing around. These are good.
Just from sitting here at this restaurant, just looking around, you can see a bunch of cool things to go check out. One of the signs that we read on the way in here was that Mackenzie King, when he built this place, he was really into landscaping and architecture. So he has this great front lawn that slopes down, and then he's got like these ruins that he built to look like ruins. And they're kind of like windows into the forest. So I think we're gonna have to go check those out pretty soon.
That's pretty good.
Windows into the forest?
Window into the forest. Window into the trees.
So the window on the forest, which is right behind us here, actually originally came from a British American banknote company building, which was demolished in Ottawa in the 1930s. So he put it at the end of his French garden, and looking through, you can see the English rock garden. So behind us here we have the Arc de Triomphe. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. But it was actually the front door arch from the same building that was demolished in Ottawa.
Where did we make it to?
Waterfall this way.
Oh, look at that. Not too far. We are here. It's all like, it looks so much bigger than what it is, but cool.
That's literally only the lawn.
Yeah.
So if the map doesn't lie, then the waterfall should honestly just be like maybe a 2 or 3 minute hike this way.
I would think so. We're gonna find it.
So it must be getting pretty close. We can hear the sound of water. So this trail definitely wasn't 2 or 3 minutes.
Yep.
We've been walking for about 15 minutes, I'd say.
I think so.
But we gotta be getting close now. Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that the waterfall right there?
Yeah. It's probably more like in the spring. Probably better.
So unfortunately we have all this orange safety fence stopping us from getting too much closer to the lookout. But that waterfall is just a bit of a trickling stream,
Right.
not much more. All right, we made it to the end of that trail. We're back at Mackenzie King's summer house. Now we just gotta walk back to the parking lot, which is only another 500 meters,
Yeah.
I think.
And it's fully paved.
Yeah. Then we'll hop back in the car and head to another section.
For you.